CPA marketing. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell notification below. Today, we're going to be discussing CPA marketing and how it can benefit your business. First, let's define what CPA marketing is. CPA stands for cost per action and refers to a type of online advertising where advertisers only pay for specific actions taken by users, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. This is the opposite of traditional forms of advertising, where the advertiser pays for the ad to be shown to the user, regardless of whether or not the user takes any action. So why is CPA marketing so effective for businesses? CPA marketing is highly targeted. Because advertisers only pay for specific actions taken by users, they're able to more accurately target their ads to the users who are most likely to take those actions. This means that businesses can reach the right customers at the right time, increasing the chances of a successful conversion. CPA marketing is cost-effective. Because advertisers only pay when a specific action is taken, they're able to reduce their overall advertising costs and only pay for the results they want. This means that businesses can get a better return on their advertising investment. CPA marketing is measurable. With CPA marketing, businesses can track the success of their ads and see exactly how many conversions they're getting. This allows them to make informed decisions about their advertising campaigns and optimize them for better results. CPA marketing offers several benefits over other forms of online advertising. First, it allows advertisers to target specific actions that are valuable to their business, such as making a purchase or completing a lead form. This allows advertisers to focus their marketing efforts on generating the most valuable actions, rather than simply generating a large number of impressions or clicks. Second, CPA marketing is often more cost-effective than other forms of online advertising. Because advertisers only pay for specific actions taken by users, rather than for impressions or clicks, CPA marketing can be a more efficient way to generate leads or sales. This can be especially beneficial for advertisers with smaller budgets, who may not be able to compete with larger advertisers in the PPC or display advertising market. Third, CPA marketing offers advertisers greater transparency and control over their advertising campaigns. Unlike other forms of online advertising, CPA marketing allows advertisers to track the specific actions taken by users and to see exactly how much they're paying for each action. This allows advertisers to optimize their campaigns and focus on the most effective actions. So, CPA marketing can be an effective advertising strategy for a wide range of businesses and organizations. Let me show you some examples of businesses and organizations that may benefit from CPA marketing. E-commerce companies. E-commerce companies can use CPA marketing to drive sales and generate leads for their products or services. By offering incentives for users to make a purchase or sign up for a newsletter, e-commerce companies can effectively target potential customers and increase their conversion rates. Lead generation companies. Lead generation companies can use CPA marketing to generate leads for their clients. By offering incentives for users to fill out a form or sign up for a service, lead generation companies can effectively target potential leads and improve their conversion rates. Nonprofit organizations. Nonprofit organizations can use CPA marketing to drive donations and engage with potential supporters. By offering incentives for users to make a donation or sign up for a newsletter, nonprofit organizations can effectively target potential donors and increase their conversion rates. Splash pages. When a website, app, or online game loads, it displays a splash page. Splash pages are frequently used by well-known companies like Apple and Disney because it's likely that their visitor is already familiar with their brand. Affiliates and influencers. A CPA marketing plan can benefit from the use of affiliate and influencer marketing. Common affiliate marketers originate from a variety of sources, including well-known blogs, fundraising pages, cashback websites, and so on. Influencers are most frequently discovered on social media and YouTube, and they frequently enjoy celebrity status, which aids in the sale of goods to their target customers. Review websites. These websites evaluate various goods and services offered by a company. Their writing typically compares the advantages, disadvantages, and features of several options. These are frequently visited by readers who are comparing their purchasing options. You can put a link to each product you review on review websites, which makes them ideal for CPA marketing. When customers are prepared to buy, they can click on a landing page or your website. Overall, CPA marketing can be an effective advertising strategy for a wide range of businesses and organizations that want to generate specific actions from their online advertising campaigns. By focusing on generating valuable actions rather than simply generating impressions or clicks, CPA marketing allows advertisers to get the most value out of their advertising spend. You should also know that there are 3 categories of CPA marketing. Pay-per-sale. After a customer purchases a product as a consequence of the affiliate marketer's promotional efforts, the advertiser pays the publisher a percentage of the product's sale price. A commission is only paid to the publisher when a sale occurs. Pay-per-action. When a customer completes a certain action, like visiting the advertiser's website, subscribing to a newsletter, or signing up for a trial, the publisher is compensated. Recurring payment. When a consumer makes a purchase, many affiliate programs pay a one-time commission. However, a recurring payments affiliate model makes sure the publisher is paid each time the customer makes a subsequent purchase. Despite the type of CPA you're using, you must decide on a payment processor and payment structure before you can set up payments for affiliate commissions. Many CPA marketing payment processors provide fraud prevention, chargeback protection, and money-back guarantees in the case that a buyer cancels a sale. You may track and manage your CPA marketing spending from a single dashboard by using a payment processor. So now, if you're thinking about starting a CPA marketing campaign, there are a few things you should know. Identify the actions you want to pay for. Before you start a CPA marketing campaign, it's important to identify the specific actions you want to pay for. This could include making a purchase, filling out a form, signing up for a newsletter, or any other action that's valuable to your business. By focusing on the actions that are most valuable to your business, you can maximize the return of your advertising spend. Find the right CPA network. To start a CPA marketing campaign, you'll need to join a CPA network, which is a platform that connects advertisers with publishers who are willing to promote their offers. There are many CPA networks to choose from, including Commission Junction, Purefly, and Max Bounty. CPA networks also handle payments and manage connections between advertisers and publishers. That's mostly the basics you must know about CPA marketing. And now, let me tell you its advantages. Integral marketing. You may spread the word about your product to a larger audience by working with publishers. Promoting your products on content producers and influencers' websites helps establish your brand's reputation and recognition among their loyal consumers. High ROI. Because CPA marketing only costs money if a sale is made and has a strong return on investment, it's less expensive. Depending on the sale price, commissions may be a flat fee or a percentage. Low risk. CPA marketing is a low-risk method of affiliate marketing because you only pay when a conversion occurs. This virtually eliminates the possibility of an affiliate gaming the system to artificially inflate clicks or website traffic, and guarantees that any recommendations you receive produce value. Simple to use. A CPA marketing campaign is simple to launch, requires little upfront investment, and only requires you to select a CPA network and an offer. You can designate an affiliate manager to negotiate affiliate contracts on your behalf, and your preferred payment processor can then set up automatic commission payments. Transparency and control. CPA marketing offers advertisers greater transparency and control over their advertising campaigns. Unlike other forms of online advertising, CPA marketing allows advertisers to track the specific actions taken by users and to see exactly how much they're paying for each action. This allows advertisers to optimize their campaigns and focus on the most effective actions. Targeted advertising. CPA marketing allows advertisers to target specific actions that are valuable to their business, such as making a purchase or completing a lead form. This allows advertisers to focus their marketing efforts on generating the most valuable actions, rather than simply generating a large number of impressions or clicks. Don't get misguided, as CPA also has the disadvantage of limited reach. CPA marketing may have a limited reach compared to other forms of online advertising. Because CPA marketing focuses on generating specific actions, rather than impressions or clicks, it may not be as effective at reaching a large audience. So that's all for today's video. If you made it this far, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching!